Okay, we are live. Let me switch around the camera and say hello people. I am here at Salons of Jamaica. Salons of Jamaica with
Dwayne Simon.
Alright, Dwayne Simon. You are, tell me what's your profession?
I'm a barber, I really take pride in cutting the hair, dressing the hair.
Yes.
It's my fantasy, I mean? Utmost best, whatever in a year,
Yes.
you're gonna get a good haircut, a great haircut at that.
Alright.
So that's me.
Alright, so Simon, tell me 5 things that you like about Jamaica.
Well, the weather, the atmosphere,
Yeah.
the ladies, the food, the resort, the
Resort, you go resort?
The natural
Resources.
Tree, beaches.
Yeah.
I mean, everything like that.
Alright.
So,
You're gone what? You say?
the
You're gone
natural
3.
resources, the
food
ladies.
and the ladies. Well, you need 2 more. Tell me 2 more.
The car is a party.
Alright, tell me 1 thing that you don't like about Jamaica.
The crime.
The crime. Alright, what do you think we can do to deal with the crime issue?
I think more employment.
Yeah.
More institution where you can offer skills,
Yeah. Alright, I want to big up people. I see Bev from Cornwall in the UK. Bev, thank you for tuning in. And Simon, if people want, like, I actually come to the barber. I don't go to the hairdresser. I go to the barber and get a trim, get a line-up right here at Salons of Jamaica with Simon. So if somebody wants to get a trim, how them can reach you?
You can come by Sovereign. It's across from Sovereign Post Mall to the left.
Yeah.
Or you can have my number 412-0597. That's my number.
So you only do haircuts? What else you do?
I can color hair.
You can color hair?
Yeah, definitely. I can color hair. I can relax hair if it's a possibility.
Yeah.
I can line. I can shave. Can do eyebrows. At most anything where hair is concerned.
Yeah. Alright, so this feature is called Jamaica Smiles. Tell me 1 thing that you do to make your clients smile.
I always try to be as polite as possible, as understanding as possible.
True that.
So that's it.
Yes.
Try to be understandable, whatever the situation is.
Alright, thank you so much, Dwayne Simon. Go and check me out at Salons of Jamaica right here at Liguanea Post Mall. Until next time, until I pop up again, I'm Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. Take care.